Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to provide you some information related to this product. The product name is like a CurveRevive Cellulite Massager Refill Kit. Okay, so you should buy this product or not, and what are the main problems, why you should not try, what are the major red flags. Okay, so in this video we will talk about each and everything, so let's get started. So first of all we will talk about this brand. CurveRevive is a newly launched brand. Okay, you can see 6 months from now. This is a very new brand, and newly launched brands maybe disappear from internet. There is no guarantee about this thing. Okay, and if we talk about this store, this is looking like a dropshipping store, and on dropshipping store there are lots of issues we will discuss about later, but I want to show you something. You can see value v anti-cellulite massager, this is the same product, and evolug anti-cellulite massager, this is also the same product. And you can see like vanilla anti-cellulite massager, and you can see evogue anti-cellulite massager, and blissim glow fit anti-cellulite massager, and Iloris anti-cellulite massager, and Milo anti-cellulite massager. And you can see over here there is a website like anti-cellulite massager and vanilla anti-cellulite massager. So it means there are hundreds of websites who are selling same kind of product. So this is not a unique product. And if we talk about like the problems, as we discussed just 30 minutes ago, like what are the main problems of these kind of stores. The first main problem of these kind of stores are, you can say like product quality. Maybe you will get the same product as all the sellers are selling, and you can see the ratings is very bad about this product. Okay, and so there is no guarantee, like if you not like the product, how you can get your money back. So there is no guarantee you will get your money back or not. If you really want to try their products, then you can contact with their customer support team. You can ask for questions related to return and refund. If you satisfied from their answers, then you can make a purchase, otherwise you can avoid. My recommendation is not with, you can say like newly launched you can say products. Okay, or you can select newly launched websites. Okay, so this is the information. Now we can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.